Hello and welcome to our tutorial on Python's regular expressions, or more commonly known as regex. So today we will explore how you can use regex to search, manipulate and extract data from strings in Python. So let's dive in. Now to start things off, I'd just like to give you guys a quick introduction as to what regex actually is. So regex is a toolkit which can be used for matching a particular pattern within a text, and this can be useful for data validation or even data transformation. And Python actually provides us with a library called RE, which makes working with these patterns quite easy. So let's get started. Now, one application of regex, as I mentioned, is basic pattern matching. So let's say we have a particular string. Learning Python with regex is fun. And now we want to see whether a particular word is prevalent within this string. So for example, let's say we want to see whether the word Python is in this particular sentence. So what we can do is we can call this library re.search the word we want to search for, which is Python, and then we pass the text we are looking at, which is learning Python with regex is fun. And if this particular word is there within this text, it would return true, and if not, false. So let's say if that match is found, we say that Python is in the text, and if not, that Python is not there. So when we run it, we get that okay, we found Python in our text because the word was present. Another application of regex is to replace the text. So let's say once again we have a particular string. Now RE also provides another function called sub, where we can replace a given word with another word. So let's say we want to replace the word Python with the word JavaScript, and the text we are looking at is the third parameter given here. So we can execute this, and then we should, if this works correctly, get that JavaScript is great, JavaScript is versatile. So let's execute this cell and see what we get. As expected, we got that JavaScript is great, JavaScript is versatile, because the RE module replaced the word Python by the second parameter, which was the word JavaScript. And regex actually has many more functionalities other than this as well, but I'd like to give one more functionality which we can do using regex, which is to extract certain patterns. So let's say we have this particular text. Important dates are the 12th of May 2022 and the 23rd of October 2022, and let's say we want to extract the dates. So we can define a pattern like this, which basically says, okay, 2 digits followed by a hyphen, followed by another 2 digits, followed by another hyphen, followed by another 4 digits. So over here, the first 2 digits represent the day, the second 2 digits would represent the month, and the final 4 digits would represent the year. We can actually customize the pattern which we feed into our regex function, and we can search for different patterns. But in this case, I assume that the date is in the DDMMYYYY format, and I pass in this particular pattern, and I try to extract the text. And as observed, we got both the dates extracted. And the find all actually represents a function which tells us that, which tells Python to return any such pattern found of this format within our text.